Welcome back, dear subscriber. Today in this video I am going to tell you how to get online Google certificate 100% free in 1 hour. So I have 4 domain course, that is Google Analytics, Google Ads, Google Digital Unlocked, Google Developer Training. So I will show you one by one all the courses, how you have to enroll and how you can get the certificate. You may wondering how the Google is providing the certificate. So I would like to show you. I have already completed some of the Google course. So I can show you. So you can see here I have completed this course, Google Analytics for Beginner. And even you can download the certificate, you can share on Facebook, Twitter, as well as LinkedIn. So this is the Google profile I have from Google Analytics Academy, and the certificate will be like this for Google Analytics Academy. So this is first I cleared your doubt that we are definitely going to get certificate. This is not a fake tutorial. So now I will take you to the process, how to enroll and how to complete the course and assignment and how to get the certificate. So first I am going to open this link. I will copy this, I will go to new tab, I will paste and open this. I will provide this all link in the video description as well as comment section. At first, please you subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed. I will keep on giving this type of tutorial in future too. I am going to provide more tutorial on how to get certificate from Microsoft, Open University, Patreon. There is so many government certificate, TCS, how to get those all free certificate and complete online courses. I will provide those whole tutorial video so you can take advantage in this lockdown. So please first you subscribe the channel before you enroll the course. If you have not subscribed, if you have subscribed, then go to comment section and write I have subscribed. And if you want more detail, then please you join the Telegram group of Deep Codec Guru. The link of Telegram group is in video description as well as comment section, so you can join our community. So it is very easy to pass information to you related to academic courses. So now let's get started. So I open the link, this link, and now I have to register. You can go through what are the details, what you are going to learn throughout the course. So these all things are mentioned here, and in each unit there is one assignment, you have to complete that, and also in middle of lesson there is like 4-5 bits you have to solve, and finally you have to give the final comment for review for the course, and you will get the certificate. So now register. How to register? I am going to register. So at first you have to make this. So you go and tick, as you can go random or you go read one by one and you tick. Right. I am just doing fast for time being, so I can complete within the minimum time. So I can save your time. Okay, you keep on tick. Anything you can tick. From here you study and you give the genuine reply. For time being I am not reading, going one by one. And here it is asking, I intended to complete this course for a certificate of completion. You see, you are going to get certificate. So this is the course. Now the enrollment is completed. So you may wondering it didn't ask about all those email, sign in, login. So that is not the matter at all. Let me clear you why it didn't ask. Actually this is Chrome. I am using Chrome, and in this browser I have already logged in here. You can see here Chrome. In Chrome browser I have already logged in, and also my Gmail is logged in this Chrome browser. So using the cookies and cache data, it automatically take as the Google Analytics. These all courses are from Google itself. This is not third party courses. Third party means any party application or website or web page that is not for that platform, means that is not related to that, your email id or details already identified. But here you can see, that's why it is not asking. You can see this is email id already logged in, so it directly took to me register. If you have not, then when you click register it will ask for login. You need not to worry, you just log in with your Google id, and you will Gmail or Google id, you call both. You log in with your Gmail id and you will come to this page. So you can see here there is this much lesson for short videos, and there is assignment, one assignment. In second also there is assignment 2, assignment 3, assignment 4, and finally we have to give analytics academic question. No, here at last when you complete this, it will ask for just a review. So this way you can complete the course. And in middle of this session it may ask, after video it may ask 2-3 questions, probably 3. So they will check you are really going through video or not. So you can complete this course. This is the first course, Analytics Academic. It is providing Google Analytics, how to analyze the data, YouTube data, web data, or any page data. So that is the data analysis. It has the huge market, so you can learn this technology and you can take advantage of it. Now I am going to Google Ads. So what is Google Ads? Google Ad means this is Google advertisement. So you can boost your business organization using Google Ads. You can make ad publicity of your business or organization or anything, whatever you do. Like you are working in organization and you have to promote your any brand or any software or any tools or marketing you want. So that time you can use this Google Ads. It will show on Google page. When you already you may frequently getting mail like you have 2000 credit in your account for first trial of the Google Ads, you may probably getting. So even you learn this course and you can utilize that offer 2000 that bonus money, and you can improve and analyze your knowledge. So here now it is asking sign. For some time it asks, sometime it don't ask. So you need not worry, we will give the same thing and we will complete. It is asking verification, you can see Crossroad. So this may also sometime asking. So you need not to worry, you just follow the instruction carefully, everything is written there. So I will go through this. Get offer code. So offer code we have to use for this Google Ads. So you will receive your coupon code by email within 1 minute. Please, you first add now. You can apply your coupon after you started. So you can see here First we have to create ads, and after that we have to apply those coupons, and we have to use like that. Otherwise there is the other course, Google Digital Unlock. So this is one of the best course you can go with. So let me go with this, and you can get started from here and you will get certificate from this. Okay, so create long-term social media and those, manage your time efficiency. There is a lots of the online courses, build a strong online strategy. So you can go with get started. And here fundamental of digital marketing, and this is get business online, make the customer to find online, promote a business with online advertisement. So there are lots of course, lots of course you can go with, and you can learn and earn the certificate, right? So you go follow the instruction and do it. And first you do this fundamental of digital marketing. This is sure you are going to get certificate. For this I have to check, and I will update in comment section whether we are going to get certificate from these courses or not. But for this you can get, here you can read include certification, right? I will definitely update in comment section after 1 or 2 days, so you will get clarity on it. And now this is most favorite course for us, and this is Google Developer Training. So this is training course, and this has the great content you can go with. So please you subscribe the channel first if you have not subscribed. If you have subscribed, then you write in comment section I have subscribed, and you can find those all links in video description. So here is Android development, web development, Firebase, machine learning, TensorFlow, explore other topic like those. There are so many courses are here you can learn. Even Android, related to Android you can Kotlin, and you can learn maybe Android basic in Kotlin, advanced Android Kotlin, Android Kotlin fundamentals, Android developer fundamentals in Java, Android advanced development Java, and even pathway, what are the pathway you have to follow. So those all the full details about the course you can read here, and you can get the certificate, right? So here is overview course, you can go and read all those details, what are the Kotlins, what you are going to get through. And now I will get back and I will also explain what are other. So regarding web, you can also learn the courses. So what are the web? In web, HTTPS, progressive web app, load instantly. So there is so many courses, get involved, training, case study, and those things you can learn, right? And I will again go back. There is so many courses, and program also you can learn. Program, there is different criteria for beginners, for student, for faculty. So first you have to select the country. Based on the country it will teach you advanced Android code labs, Android developer fundamentals, and mobile development first. For faculty also there is course, for student there is course, for developer there is course. So you can learn these courses and you can get the certificate like mobile web specialization certificate, associate Android developer certification. So you can get this all certificate free of cost, 100% free of cost. So guys, you please subscribe my channel and share with your friends if you found my video helpful, and please also share this video with your friend, colleagues, and all those people who are very very related to this, they want to learn this technology. And please, you don't forget subscribe the channel, also hit on bell icon, and also you join the Telegram group of Deep Codec Guru. You can find those all link in video description as well as comment section. So please, you do subscribe my channel, so I will get more motivation and I will provide more online free courses from Microsoft, uh, Open University, Packets, Amazon I have already provided, Udemy I have already provided, I will provide from Cisco, Netcad. So there is so many courses and number of courses I will provide. So lastly, I would like to thank you all for watching this video at home. Stay safe and stay happy. And please do share this video with all your colleagues and subscribe the channel.